Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I am Mr. Vesco, and I will be your teacher for virtual PE as a part of the Lake City Virtual Academy program. I'm going to show you the website that we are going to be using for your at-home workouts, and I'm going to show you exactly how to sign up and how it's going to work. It is very easy to use. As a reminder, most of you should have gotten this video through your email address. So you should have gotten an email from me with a link to this video on how to sign up for Platform. Platform is the system that we are going to be using for you to do your at-home workouts. And again, I'm going to show you how to sign up for that and show you how it works. As a reminder, please check your email daily, your lakecitytrojans.org email. Okay, that's where I will send you any videos or updates or changes that you will need to know about. And that's the best way to communicate with me if you have questions or anything like that. So now I'm going to show you how to get signed up for Platform. So the first thing you're going to want to do, okay, is this also works as an app, okay, but I'm going to show you and if you want to download the app, that will work as well. You can do this on your computer, all right, or laptop, or through the app on your smartphone if you have one of those to use. So what the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to go right up here, okay, and you're going to want to go to platform.com. That's PLT4M.com. Now, if you're going to use the app, okay, you would just search for Platform, so that's PLT4M, and that should come up in your app store to download the app. Okay, so when you go to the Platform website right here, okay, you're going to want to go to log in. All right, when you go to log in, it's going to bring up this screen here. What you are going to want to do, all right, is right here where it says if you have a join code, click here to join your team. All right, so you're going to click right here. All right, our code is LC Trojans. Right, LCTROJANS. Make sure you click this button here and then submit. All right, it should come up as Lake City Area Schools. Click confirm and proceed. All right, your next step, you will want to use your school email address. I'm going to use an example email address to show you how this works. Okay, I'm going to put in coachbesco@gmail.com. Make sure you fill out each one of these fields, and you're going to need to create a password. So make sure you do that. Make sure you remember it or write it down. All right, once you have filled out all those, you're going to click the next step. Okay, I'm not going to save that right now. All right, it's going to ask you to choose a sport. This is not important, okay? There's a bunch of different sports listed. It does not matter. Oh, excuse me, I was wrong. Let's choose phys ed as our sport, okay? And then you're going to choose student. All right, so everybody should be choosing those two things. All right, last part of the registration, okay? You're going to choose whether you're male or female, okay? And then put in your birthday. All right, so I'm just going to use an example birthday, okay? January 1st, 1995, okay? Then you're going to choose your level, okay? You should all be middle school students, so make sure you choose middle school. All right, when you've done all of those things, you're going to click the finish button. All right, it should then bring up this page, okay, with all of these different groups. Now, you are all virtual PE students, okay? As you can see here, there's a 6th grade virtual PE, a 7th grade virtual PE, and an 8th grade virtual PE, all right? So depending upon which grade you are in, that's the group you are going to join. So if you're a 6th grader, you're going to join the 6th grade group. If you are a 7th grader, you should join the 7th grade group, all right? And if you are an 8th grader, you should join the 8th grade group, okay? So as an example, I am going to join the 8th grade group for right now. So I'm going to click join group, all right? Now it shows leave group, Okay, so that means I am in the 8th grade virtual PE students group. What this is going to do is now when you eventually sign in, all right, to your platform or use the app and you sign in on the app, all right, it's going to bring up all of your workouts that we're going to be doing at home. And I'm going to be showing you those here in a minute, all right, and how they work. All right, I will go through each one and show you how those are going to work. All right, but the first thing you need to make sure you do is get into the correct group. All right. Now, I am going to sign out and I'm going to log into my account. All right. So I can show you what the workouts look like. Now, on yours, it should automatically bring up, okay, your programs that you are in. All right. I have a bunch of different ones for all of my classes. I am going to go, all right, to the 8th grade one, all right, to show you as an example. This is what you should see on your screen, all right, when you go into your program. You are going to want to, all right, read the introduction. Now, all of these workouts are designed for you to be able to do at home, all right, whether it's in your living room, your basement, okay, maybe even outside if it's a nice day in your front or backyard, anywhere where you have enough space, all right, to do some movements on the floor, all right. You want to make sure you have enough room, okay. So you're going to want to read this introduction section here, all right. And right here, it says performing these workouts at home. All of you will be doing that, all right, as a part of remote learning, all right. So I'm going to want to have you watch each one of these videos, all right. There are videos for each of the workouts or exercises that you will do at home in each one of the lessons, okay. So there's a description, all right. You will watch the video and then make sure you click done to complete. This is very important. All right, this is going to tell me how much time you have spent on each of the lessons. So this is going to be how I'm going to be able to determine, all right, whether you have done each of the workouts and the lessons, because it will send me an amount of time that you spent on each lesson. And if it says only 5 minutes or 10 minutes or 2 minutes, I'm going to know that you did not complete the workout as it was designed. Each one of the workouts, okay, in the lessons are designed to be about 30 minutes long, all right? And I'm going to show you each one of those here in a second, all right? So the way it is designed, all right, is we have it broken down into weeks, all right? So if I click here, all right, I'm in week 1, okay? There are 6 weeks in this program. Now, this is a semester class, so what's going to happen is after 6 weeks, okay, I will be assigning you to another program with more workouts, okay, that will complete your full semester of class, okay. So under week 1, we have an introduction and then 3 lessons, okay. All of the other weeks, okay, as I'll show you week 2 here, all right, only has 3 lessons in it. So what this means is you need to be doing, all right, 3 lessons per week. Now, I'm going to suggest that maybe the best way is to do one on Monday, do one on Wednesday, and do one on Friday. Okay? You don't have to follow that schedule. Whatever works best for your schedule at home is fine. If you want to do them Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and have them all done, that's fine. But you have to have all 3 lessons completed by the end of the week. Okay, so I'm going to, after you have read the introduction and watched all of the introduction videos, okay, there are 4 videos. Again, make sure you click the done button, all right, which is not showing up for me right now. But if you were to do it as a student after you watch the video, there will be a done button to click to complete. Okay, I'm going to take you, all right, to lesson 1 right now. Again, always read the description, okay, and then there is a video for each exercise that you will be doing. All right. So this one has 6 videos. All right. Again, it should take you about 30 minutes to complete the entire lesson. All right. If you want to watch the video and pause at different times while you do the exercise, that's fine. or you can watch the entire video and then do the exercises that they are showing you. Again, this should be pretty easy to use, all right? And they will demonstrate each exercise and workout for you, all right? Now, if you have any questions, please email me, all right, at my school email address. That's bbesco@lakecitytrojans.org. I look forward to working with you this semester, and take care.